The
state government is keen to increase the number of homestays in the state to cater to the growing tourism sector, to address the problem of unemployment and boost the state's economy. Informing this, Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Friday said that the state is looking at the homestay project, wherein in the next few months until March, we are ready to sanction 1,000 homestays in urban and rural centres. Meanwhile, expressing apprehension over demands to prevent Assam vehicles ferrying tourists from entering the state as they contribute to the traffic menace in the city, Lyngdoh said that the move will impact the hassle-free movement of state vehicles travelling to Assam. He mentioned that they are figuring out new routes in which these Assam vehicles can ply directly to locations like Saura without entering the city and contributing to the traffic situation, while adding that the Umyam to Maulandep route is one such road that is under construction. He also discussed how the newly launched vehicles exclusively meant for ferrying tourists will help reduce the number of Assam cars plying in the state.
The homestay project, where in the next few months until March, the next fiscal year, we are ready to sanction 1,000 homestays. We have also segregated the rural from the urban centers. A new road being constructed from Maulandep, which will be able to then not enter Shillong, but cars can move directly to reach up to Saura. Omyam Maulandep road is under construction so that movement of vehicles can start happening without them entering Shillong.
Tracking the country's